Dr. Rasha Kelej, CEO of Merck Foundation, co-chaired the conference with the First Lady of Ghana, Her Excellency REBECCA AKUFO-ADDO, the 6th edition of Merck Africa Asia Luminary in Ghana, and welcomed the 10 African First Ladies, 25 Ministers of Health, Gender, Information, Education and Science, and more than 1,000 healthcare providers and academia from 60 countries to attend their sessions, which aim to improve access to quality healthcare solutions and empowering women and girls in education in the 2 continents.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, the President of Ghana, Mr. Nana Akufo-Addo. Thank you very much for the great honor to be with us today and to inaugurate officially the 6th edition of Merck Africa Asia Luminary. Thank you, Your Excellency. And of course, I would like to thank for the generous hospitality and the great organization and follow-up Her Excellency, the First Lady of Ghana, Madame REBECCA AKUFO-ADDO, and the Ambassador also of Merck More Than a Mother. Thank you very, very much for everything. She is the co-chair of the Merck Africa Asia Luminary this year, and we had worked together for almost from January to make this successful and make it happen. And of course, I would like also to thank very much and appreciate my dear sisters and the excellencies, African First Ladies and ambassadors of Merck More Than a Mother for taking the time, their valuable time to be with us to ensure that all our programs and the strategies that to achieve the vision of building a healthy Africa and empowering women and youth in education and in STEM together with us. And in alphabetical, I would like very much to welcome Her Excellency the First Lady of Burundi, Her Excellency the First Lady of Central African Republic, Her Excellency the First Lady of Chad, Her Excellency the First Lady of Liberia, Her Excellency the First Lady of Malawi, and Her Excellency the First Lady of Nigeria, Her Excellency the First Lady of Sierra Leone, and Her Excellency the First Lady of Zambia, Her Excellency the First Lady of Zimbabwe. Thank you very, very much for having the time to be here, and I assure you that we will always, it's only a milestone, we will always be committed to our long-term partnership in your countries. Of course, I would like also to thank all our partners to be here, and this is the 6th year to be together in this prestigious annual platform. And every year we come up with new ideas, with new strategies, with new programs, and every year we're going bigger and stronger. So I thank all our partners, and all the ministers of health, ministers of genders, ministers of information, ministers of education to be with us today, and all our partners of training, because as you know, one of the core programs of Merck Foundation is providing specialty training. So we trained oncologists, long-term oncologists, 1 year and 2 years, oncologists to be a specialist in many countries where they didn't have oncologists before, and this was making history in coordination and partnership with the First Ladies of these countries. But also fertility specialists, as part of Merck More Than a Mother, when you've seen with us Jacqueline video, there is a lot of women around us suffering the same problem, and we address them in many aspects and angles, but also training the fertility specialists will help them to manage their problem and to prevent it as well. It was a core objective of Merck Foundation. Therefore, I would like to call on, I know there is some of the Merck Foundation alumni, the graduates of Merck Foundation are here. Not all of them, but a good number of them are here with us today. Can I call on you to stand up to acknowledge you? The Merck Foundation alumni. Wow. Can we have in one voice together, One Africa? Great. Thank you very much for being here. You are the future of healthcare in Africa. You are the future. We have now more than 70 oncologists, more than 140 fertility specialists, and hundreds of diabetes graduates or diabetes specialists. So I rely on you, we all rely on you to transform and change the landscape of healthcare in Africa and in Asia. Thank you very, very, very much. Of course, just to give you a small brief, that we will have tomorrow sessions of medical education sessions for all the doctors and healthcare providers available, and they will join it tomorrow. Today will be our deliberations panels, ministerial panels, and First Ladies panels, where we're going to discuss together the strategy, and we're going to share with you all the impacts of Merck Foundation programs in each country. Thank you very much for being here, and thank you all. I would like also to acknowledge with us today the Chief of Staff of Ghana, and also the second First Lady and the wife of the Vice President of Ghana. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you.